Welcome to this pronunciation and vocabulary lesson from the ESL for Architecture series. Today, we'll review fundamental design vocabulary that architects use to describe form, space, function, and the core ideas behind a project. For each word, I'll say the term first, then explain its meaning in simple English. After that, I'll pronounce it slowly, using a clear respelling, then at normal speed. And finally, use it in a real architectural sentence. Let's begin. Form: the shape or outline of a building or space. Form. Form. The building's curved form was inspired by ocean waves. Function: the purpose or use of a space. Function. Function. The function of this room is to serve as a meeting space. Space: an area that can be used or experienced. Space. Space. We designed the interior space to feel open and bright. Aesthetics: the visual appeal or artistic quality of something. Aesthetics. Aesthetics. The use of wood adds warmth and improves the room's aesthetics. Structure: the framework or supporting system of a building. Structure. Structure. The steel structure holds up the entire roof. Concrete: a hard, durable material made from cement. Concrete. Concrete. The building is made of exposed concrete and glass. Glass: a clear material used in windows and walls. Glass. Glass. The facade is made of glass to bring in natural light. Texture: the look or feel of a surface. Texture. Texture. We used stone to create a rough texture on the exterior walls. Partition: a wall or divider that separates spaces. Partition. Partition. We added a glass partition between the kitchen and dining room. Circulation: how people move through a space or building. circulation, circulation. The circulation path connects the entrance to all the rooms. Void, unintentional empty space in a design. Void, void. The central void brings light into the center of the building. Passive design, using nature to heat, cool, or light a building. Passive design. Passive design. The house uses passive design to reduce energy costs. Thermal mass, a material's ability to absorb and store heat. Thermal mass. Thermal mass. The concrete floor provides thermal mass to regulate temperature. Natural ventilation, fresh airflow without machines. Natural ventilation. Natural ventilation. We designed large openings to support natural ventilation. Thank you for watching this pronunciation and vocabulary lesson. If you'd like to keep learning, you can find more ESL for Architecture brochures on Gumroad and additional tutorials, lessons, and guides on my YouTube channel. See you in the next lesson!